You can make money in pool, yes. The only thing you have to do is make sure you play between 4 to 8 p.m. when the regular people are playing, not late night when only professionals are playing. And the second thing you have to do is you have to make sure that if you lose one game, don't play any more cash games for the day, okay? And that's the policy that I follow, and with this policy, my balances, it grows. You just saw that I won my previous 7 games all in a row. This is my 8th game, and you'll see that I will score over 1,000 points. One down. Two down. Three down. Four down. Five down. Six down. Seven down. Watch this. I'm gonna set this one up for a trick shot. Eight down. As you can see, this is so much valuable to know that you're able to do this. Guys, I will give you all the insights. I want you to please use my referral code so that you get money and I get money, and then you'll get your own code.